In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the YouTube Kids app on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type YouTube Kids and press enter on your keyboard. From the search results, open the first link for YouTube Kids. Once the page opens, you'll see two options. I'm a kid and I'm a parent. Click on I'm a parent. Next, click the next button, enter your birth year, and then click submit. After that, a short video will play on your screen. Watch the video completely and then click next to continue. You will now be asked to sign in with a parent Google account that is linked with YouTube. After signing in, you'll see a parental consent screen. Read the information, click next, and enter your Google account password to complete the sign-up process. After signing in successfully, you'll be asked to create your child's profile by entering the child's name, age, and birth month. Once you've entered all the details, click next and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. When the process is complete, you'll be taken to the YouTube Kids homepage and your child's account will be ready to use. Now, let's install it on your PC. Look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Cast, Save and Share, and then click Install Page as App. A pop-up window will appear at the top of the screen. Click the Install button to continue. After that, the YouTube Kids app window will open. You can also go to your desktop where you'll see the YouTube Kids app icon created automatically. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.